Thank you, media fraternity. Very good afternoon to everyone. It's Amikhan meeting hoise. Amikhan meeting, joint meeting takise. Dimapur Urban Council Chairman Federation. Amikhan GB Union Sadar. Amikhan DCCI. Dimapur District Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and our Churches Colony Chairman, Colony Council. Amikhan aji meeting. There almost 100 plus members can aise. Aru mohan lamba deliberation hoise. Aru 6 points resolve koro parise de. Amikhan jani ase media para amikhan viewers kan regarding the issue of the closure to JL Sharma laga dukan bon kuri dia laga churches community. Ito umaide amikhan several times inside meeting bi kuri kena aise. Ito para amikhan ito laga issue nimide aji amikhan meeting kurise aru ki resolve kurise ito media ke janai dibo. Number 1 de amikhan resolve kurise. It is resolved that the action taken by the DNSU in locking the JL interior shop located at Churches Colony, Ward number 21, Dimapur, which is wrong and illegal. Therefore, we condemn it. It is subject to trespassing the authority of the Colony Council as well as the DCCI. Point number 2, it is a considered view of the members present at the meeting that the Dimapur Naga Student Union, DNSU, as a student body, they should confine to its activities to students' welfare and student-related issues. Point number 3, it is resolved that the DNSU, being one of the renowned and respected organization, they should never take the law into their own hands, regardless of the gravity of the issue. Voicing out against illegal activities is the right of the citizens, but it must be reported and shall be dealt with the appropriate and concerned authority as per the established law of the state. Point number 4, it is resolved that to appeal to the district administration to summon the accused Mr. Gadilal for questioning him in presence of the following organization: DUCCF, GB Union Sadar, District Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and DNSU, for fraudulent obtaining the non-Naga indigenous certificate as alleged by the DNSU. Point number 5, henceforth, the DNSU shall not interfere in the business issue without the knowledge of DCCI. And regarding the indigenous certificate issues, whether be it DUCCF, GB Union Sadar, or DCCI and DNSU, or be it any organization, they should report to the district administration that any organization taking law into their hands, the district administration should take full cognizance of these wrong self-style decisions. No one is above the law. And point number 6, we have decided that it is further resolved that the House decided that in failure to comply with the 5-point resolution adopted in today's meeting, the 3 organizations, DUCCF, DCCI, and GB Union Sadar, will not cooperate with DNSU in near future. So, itu kan ami kan decision hoise, itu para itu key resolve hoise, itu ami kan through our media, ami kan viewers, ami kan public, and including our students also, ami kan ke janai dia ase. No one is above the law, and wrongdoing state of mohan bi condemn kuri ase. Itu para itu jankari aji meeting de ki hoise janai dia ase. Thank you. So, can ask some questions if there is any questions.
There were talks of one of the organization to file FIR against the DNSU for taking law into their own hands. So, are you, has any decisions been made on that?
Okay. Say something.
Oh, actually, since it falls under our colony, churches colony, we were supposed to do that. But then it's regarding the business. So this President Pratai, he said he will do it. But next day, when they went to NCD for meeting and all, since student nase ki inika bachakan nase will forgive them na. Aro takan gibi ne apology ki ba grupo inika kothati aise de. But now after all this tahan press media inika de haratu became little bit like challenging, like that. Aro tahan indigenous la kuratu na, like for me it's like it's very good. Before them mukan do ILP la to mukan survival naglin. I'm also one of the founding member. To mukan bi man itu karne fight kurgi na ise. So tahan la itu kam kuratu. I appreciate them, okay. Only issue with me was like kile colony te council ke kwanai. Information to people like it, you cannot just come and lock somebody's business, no, in some other colony. So our only issue was at least one kobo like she. And next day I waited thinking like at least apology to diboni ki bhabishile like tahan lagai to support nokurile, like as if we are trying to non-local kan logo milige na kiba kuran niche na inika allegation that is very wrong. Public la sentiment inika kiba nokuribo lage. You cannot divert the issue, ILP laga hole bhi, indigenous la hole bhi, kiki hole bhi, proper channel pra jami na. Our only thing was like colony council ase kile inika kurishe. At least one ge itu kuile bhal dekchini ki. That was the only issue. Hole bhi tahan apology na mangi na. They made it like this. So that is the reason we have come this far, and we shall see where it goes after this.
Just to clarify, the resolutions where the DNSU should not take up matters and it should be confined to their student-related issues. So now it has been, just to clarify again, that any issue outside the student-related matters, they should go the right way, right? No other issue should be taken up by their hands.
Yes. Actually, that is one resolution di nika banai na ase. Ita mega naga Speaker Madam Kohli ba kushe that takan bhal kam kuri bi ase. Ami kam bi dikhi ase. Hole bi business matter laga business manu hoye ta laga indigenous la hoye at least ami kan DCCI kan business laga so tahan ki bi problem da kuri na so that it is in his knowledge. He should not go into extra boundary power hoye na jabo lage. It is coming back to indigenous issue. But the problem is Mohan Janjas. Manu Khan Kue, to GB chairman, Khanra Golat Kam Gorabra Tagan Paisha. But 2021, 2022, there Notun system Aisha, indigenous law. So Manu Purana indigenous Kuna say certificate Kanto Agana, Notun Banayasu, reapply Kuresu. But a Notun format. Nijor naga manubi nijor la bosti pura anibo lage to. Moi khanki we are kushi na pare in this law. So tate laga steps kan alag bishay ase. Kon bhi hobi. Ami kan DUC se hobi, DC se hobi. Ami kan laga GP sadar hobi. Ami kan manu kan ke saman nukuri. Ani kena ami kan office te ani kena. We never do that. No one is above the law. Mohan niga kuri thakile kiniga amiga naga system balo. To niga hole to amiga naga administration bhi nataka nisno hojishi. Na, if there is a law, governing body law, to mohan administration bhi hudauti kurula. They have every right. Why wait? Ek kuro par to ek kuro lage. I am not blaming the DNSU for itu ki kurabra. But today to Ajila meeting day to Bishimano Mondo do Pagin Takide. It is Janai Bulas. Bishimano doubt with কৰি থকাটো ঠিক আছে নে নাই আমি খান ষ্টুডেণ্ট বডি আছে নাগা ষ্টুডেণ্ট ইউনিয়ন আছে ডিমাপুৰ নাগা ষ্টুডেণ্ট মহান বি তাহাঁতে ছাপোৰ্ট আছে বাট লিমিটেশ্যনছ থাকে দেই আই থিংক দিছ টাইম আমি খান এইটো 6-point resolution ওলাটো we stand by it এইটো পৰা এইটোৱে আছে
Again, just to clarify again, so them summoning people to the office also won't be entertained, right? Because that's what they have said it on air, on record also, that Mohan Kiman bar Matilibi office te Matilibi ahanai, so we had to take this measure. We were compelled to do it, even though we're not authorized in our wish. So would you also take them summoning
Okay.
people to the office?
See, as for DUCCF lato dey I will not talk about DNSU Mohan DUCCF kan and GB Sadar Mohan to colony council laga ase dey আৰু মই খানটো ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন লগতে তাহানা আণ্ডাৰতে কি কাম পালে বি কৰে কিবা এটা হেপেন হৈছে কলিংতে আমি খান ইনভেষ্টিগেট কৰি দিব ষ্টেটমেণ্ট খান ল'ব ইনানে ইটোটো লৈ কিনে আমি খান পুলিচকে দি দিব নহ'লে ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন মহান লটো মহান হাত পান নলৈতো we are not the person to say that it is wrong the wrong part will come from the law that is the authority I think somewhere down the line itu correction hobo lage aji bara so that's why itu message to aji laga ami kana press conference ra itu message to jaile bhal for every citizen mohana dimapur laga nolibi naglen laga holibi lo to ami kana hatin nai to তালা সিস্টেম থাকে তো তালা পেরিমিটার থাকে ডিসিসিআই বিজনেস লাগা আছে ডিউসিসিএফ জিবি সাদার আমি কলোনি কাউন্সিল আছে তো ওনা দাবাল তো লো তো এটা পুরা আজি মিটিং পুরা তো এটা খান সব ডিসকাস করেছে
In addition to that, I would like to add one thing. See, Amigan Colony Council, the chairman can GB can do administration ke help kore to. Situation ulatum te chutu mutu kan to Amigan someone bi kore. Kori gine Amigan paratok solve kore. Which is beyond that level hole Amigan itia koan isna administration DC ki kobo. Iniga situation ula ase iniga ase report kore to. Yate amar khan DNS to khan la issue de hole I personally also tai khan non naga indigenous la kora tamte golti pa manu fraudulence pra kora to ami khan bi to back kore hole bi itu kora tamte tai khan iniga kiba information paise koile tai khan case to nolobo lage to they should report to the concerned authority ekta manu iniga paise iniga ase itu pra immediately itu kan to call korine bhal bra sai kine investigate korine tai ki ase ki nai itu koribi itu kurubo lage itu no kurise gole why we are having district administration law enforcing agencies itu to thaka to hoile to law and order bhal thakile nibde thaki ase to hoile bi ami kan individual organization pra administration laga aro law enforcing agencies la kam to ami khane take up korobole ase koile to itu motlob na ulai to itu niminde itu de ami khan repeat koran sna ase holibi churches colony de student khan jai kine dukan lo kora to itu to illegal ase itu nimide itu taga niniga itu malik tu tala problem ase tai laga non naga indigenous to issue ase koile mane report to the authority itu kora nai to iniga noi kini sob logoti tai laga personal laga tu alag ase to itu nimite itu tu iniga nohobo lage aro ami kan society te tu ekta organization e club ra sob sabo itu la kotha noi to ami kan tu pressure group e ase to pressure group kan tu anomalies paise gole mane right authority koi dile hoise pressure koribi let them take decision itu hobo lage itu stand to ami kan tate ase
Tahan ba kuina ase ki tahan compelled to show because the organizations or the unions were not taking it up. Tahan in our businesses. So what would you have to say?
First of all, which union or organization can approach Krisha? We want to know that also, na?
yes
Our union, our organization na kam noi to district administration ukle jane, and they are saying like they've been summoning them for a long time. Ahana eklo, why didn't you report it to the, the right authority? Why you are taking so long? Aro tahan ge saman kuri ke na iman diri lebi nahe kole do. Ki kurule iman diri lebi thikse. You should have reported that person to the right authority, na. Organization na kam nai do yete to.
I have one more. Aro tahan in the press conference they are going there. Tahan mention kuri na si ke J.L. Sharma the certificate lago pore. Tahan supply colony te mati procure kune ase ushe. But whereas American hunure pare si ke not supply colony but army supply or something. Would you please clarify?
See, Amikan Godilal Sharma laga Matila uku tate interest nahi de. Tala indigenous la kota ko. Indigenous la problem ase to. It's all linked with Nirmal Jain issue. Amikan, why Mohan laga GP or Mohan Chairman DUCC Colony Council kan to concern ase. Amikan district administration lagote for the past 1-2 decade pura. Amikan assist kuri kena ase. Aro as a grassroots leader, Amikan bra verify kuri de form de Amikan bra Amikan authorize kuri de to. Ine one indigenous hobi, ST hobi, district administration में जाने ताकन तादे दुबाशिला level बरा सब scan करे. होसा आसे नहीं किन्हीं का आसे सब ताकन सा. Okay. Now, like I said, मैं आगे ते कौन इसना 2021-22 बरा तो नতুन format आई जैसे. बोले भी पुराना मानो तो पुराना format बरा माती खान तो किन्हीं ने पता बनाई ना सो तो. That मोहन भी ना जाने. If at all, DNSU as a reputed organization, ताकन इनका issue आसे बोले मोहन GP chairman खान तो भी इन्हें होती भी ना. इनका आसो ताला indigenous wrong आसो. इन्हें we will मोहन भी clear rectify करूँ वो तो. कौन गंभीरा बरा कौन chairman बरा इतु इनका करूँ आमी खान भी knowledge टिपे है वो तो. गलत काम करा लगा तो. बोले आमी खान को आइडिया नहीं. media ते दिखे आसे. काली परसों media ते उला भी unmandated organization का नासो. See, there are certain language, there are certain words. All of refrain कोइले भाल, ना. Amikan DUCC से किमान public meeting करे से, GB सादा किमान करे से, colony council kan निजोर members kan करने किमान काम करे से, DC से तकन किमान business करने करे से. इतो तो एक बार ना थका निस्ना करे तो it's not like that, ना. Student body आसे, young आसे, खून गरम आसे, बोले खून गरम वाले भी अलग तो restrain करे भी ना. Let's work out together. Indigenous laga issue ase kule to ekelo to miline kule to bhal ase to naga manu kane kile no kuro makan. Ami kan kiman kuri gina ise. We do not we have makan to silently come to Korea ase. Name film kane kora no to. Itu nimite ami kan public viewers kan followers kan kun thaki ase. Whether be it for DNSU, whether it be it for another organization. Naga manu laga issue to indigenous la to man kile compromise kuro. बोले भी ताला का नियम था क्या तो इतु निमित्त आमी खान लगा ओपोस ते misunderstanding हुए ऐसे इतु लाभी न होए बोले भी we are right to क्या ऐसे इतु ते है कुरुबो लगे कोई ना आमी खान इतु resolve करेगा ना
I have a question for the DCC. After this issue has been uprooted, under your jurisdiction, non-Naga business establishment owners have approach DNSU kan mandiri alag siya so sa matani approach ko siya in regards to this certificate or against the alleged MRP tempering or ito ang ko approach ko na sana.
Say ito mo iniga ko first incident ito hato mo han bit jana nai ito dukandar bi mo han iku bana uri bi through media pra iniga churches kuling kan contamination dia pichide jani. After that, we inquired, and it was true. It was true. So, Mohan FIR to lodge promote winner, victim but some leaders, Dimapur leaders can make you phone. So I said, okay, we'll meet. We are going to 11 something. Naga Council office there, President La Chamber, Mohan push. Some elderly leaders can DNSU to apna la bacha moila bacha kan though there are no kids They are all grown up. They are all educated. There's no doubt. Only student as a to bring bacha class. We know we consider it. ठीक है सब ভাল গাড়ী বনাইছে তো মোখান এফআইআর নালিখিব গিনা নাগা কাউন্সিল কৰা তাইগানি মাটি কিনা কি কথা কৈছে কি হৈছে এটা আপোনালোকে জানিছে বলা হলিবি দ্য নেক্সট ডে তাখান আৰু মিডিয়াতে আহিছে পেপাৰতে দিছে কি কথা কৈছে but see we are all major organization we don't provoke de মোখান তো sab insha ase provoke kore kam koro provoke na korle na kam kore aro biya man khan to bahal damte pi biya damte pi so mane ke ghumam na digina diktari ditai so usually na see genius we respect what's apparent mo khan be student taxi to we are grown up we have to cross that stage it is doing more down organization at genius to normally organization what to down to 우리 비 시스템 때 잘해 또 당하고 나 우리 비 뭐한 비즈니스만 또 first घर मालिक के लोग bring an agreement लिखे घर भाड़ा वाले after that bank account खोलिबो after that DMC जाइना trade license इतु पीछे थे GST registration करे after that we start our business ताते DNS ला student body ला कौन बा organization ला नाम भाईसे आना है तो so they cannot close down the shop. That is what we are demanding. Why not against them? Why not against their activities? Instead, I appreciate that we acknowledge them. What they are doing for the public, for what they are doing for the Nagas. Indonesia's law, I appreciate, we appreciate, we support them. And we have been supporting them in so many ways. They cannot deny it. What do? Maybe as a situation to see. Then yes, we as an organization, student body, few office bearers can all intellectual asset. Innocent student can get mislead. That is the thing. We condemn the closure of the shop, and if there is any issue, indigenous law, ILP issue, law is there, competent authorities there, they should approach them. और ताकन ला ऑफिस ते मानु के प्लान मानु होगी नागा मानु भी ताकन ऑफिस ते माती के ने की सेटलमेंट करे what is the settlement what is the outcome what is the judgment and how they compromise itu aja tu itu praye in near future itu generation bahal karni dise boleh kumba against kurana karni kurane itu do chance dia aja to rectify themselves or rectify the organization bahal hoba lage milagina काम करबा लगे milagina दिमापुर आगे लो जब लगे लगा resolution है so that we had someone or we will be ताकन जुदे इनका ना होए बोले तो there is no option resolution दिखे ऐसे ही जाओ that much thank you
Wait.
आज तो ये इशू लाभ आज आप यहाँ लेकर 6 point resolution भी तो हमें जनरेशन आ रही है especially now कितना organization student बोले कितना will that apply the same thing for everyone?
Yes, same yardstick for everyone. Even for us. We are also not about the law. No. That's why I get the question. I can be volunteer as a GB channel. We can be over-exercise to it. We go according to the law, whatever is it. With us.
One small question from my end to DCCI president. TV sugan LST ko rachi ki do jail sharma to do MRP tempering big pre aur do mga case case
जुदे MRP tempering को ले both with DMC office
Yeah.
because DMC is the one who fixed the rate we are not the one moi la organization to welfare business committee welfare saba karne से mo kam to जागिना दाम उठा के भी कोई रिक्वेस्ट करे और दाम पीछे हो जाएगा competent authority kan mo के माटी के ना mo kan के organization माटी के ना itu दाम पीछे से that is our negotiation and that is how we run our business so we don't compromise with our character we don't compromise with our integrity there is nothing like that itu aja you tak kan lakam noy tak kan lakam nak buat lagi tak lah bapa lah dukan holi pi dekhi he cannot go in the shop itu aja